Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal safely. First, always enable two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. Next, create a strong, unique password, ideally one that is at least 12 characters long, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, be extremely vigilant about suspicious emails and messages, as these are common phishing attempts designed to steal your information. Identifying scams is crucial for your online safety. Always verify the sender's identity before clicking any links or downloading attachments from unexpected emails. Remember, PayPal will never ask for your password, bank account number, or full credit card details through email. If you encounter anything suspicious, report it immediately through the official PayPal Resolution Center, not by replying to the email. For secure transactions, consider linking a credit card to your PayPal account instead of a debit card. Credit cards often offer better buyer protection policies, giving you an extra layer of security. Make it a habit to regularly review your transaction history for any unauthorized activity. Also, always avoid accessing your PayPal account or making payments when connected to unsecured public Wi-Fi networks. If you suspect your PayPal account has been compromised, act quickly. Immediately change your password to a new, strong, and unique one. For any unauthorized transactions, contact PayPal support within 60 days of the purchase date to dispute the charge. Additionally, closely monitor your linked bank and credit card statements for any unusual or unexpected charges, reporting them to your financial institution promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.